Canvas panels allow its children to be absolutely positioned. That means you can set exactly where you want each child to sit within the panel. Additionally, each child can also set their anchor points. Anchor points are how you determine on which side of the panel you want your children to be stuck to. By default, everything is stuck to the top left, as indicated by these icons. That means when the screen size changes, they will always be that far away from the top and left sides. If we select our text and drag this anchor circle to the top right of the panel, that text will always be that far away from the top and right sides, as indicated by these positional offset numbers. It doesn't stop there. All the anchors can be adjusted individually. If I select this image and drag just the bottom anchor to the bottom of the screen, this image will now be anchored to the top, left, and bottom sides of our panel. When the screen size changes, the image's top, left, and bottom sides will be stuck that far away from the edge of the screen. Anchors are absolutely necessary for building dynamic and elastic layouts. Cool.